Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. I hope everybody is having an amazing day today. As you can see, OBAAPA is very excited because she's bringing you another beautiful recipe right here. So guys, as you can see today, my hubby was like, can you please make me beef tomato stew that you can enjoy with rice? Yeah, I'm like, of course, why not? Alright guys, so anyways, as you can see, this is all the ingredients that I am going to use right now. Unfortunately, I have my beef, it is frozen, so I just left it in the sink to defrost, and then yeah, we'll use it later. So I'm just gonna go through with the ingredients, what I am going to use, so you guys will get the idea. So as you can see, I have my tomato paste right here. Depending the amount that you're gonna make, with me I try to make a lot of stew. Okay, so let's say if I want to make jollof rice, I have my stew ready. I can just dig into it and prepare my jollof rice, which means that I don't have to start making another stew, which is very stressful, you know. So I try to make a lot of stew as possible. So right here I have my tomato paste. I have 2 red onion on this side. I got my oil. I am not gonna use all this oil, I'm gonna use some of it. And then when you come on this side, I have some hot pepper right here, that is imokosam. On this side I have my salt. On this side I'm going to use ground shrimp, that is shrimp powder, that is going to replace Maggi. And also I have some curry powder, nutmeg on this side, this dash. I have some mixed spice that I got it from an European store. This spice is actually very nice. And I have my nkitty right here. I got rosemary, I have bay leaves. So don't go nowhere guys, let's get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have some onion right here. I peeled it, and I have my ginger on this side. I'm using a lot of ginger this time because I want to get the flavor from the ginger. And also I have some garlic. I forgot to add the garlic on my introduction, but I'm gonna add some few cloves of garlic on this side. So right now we're just gonna cut it, and I'm gonna blend it on my Ninja blender, smoothie blender right here. That is what I am going to do. So guys, if you have fresh pepper, you know, you can use it, but at the moment I don't have the fresh one, so I'm going to use the powder. That's why I have the mekusam. And also guys, I am going to add some seasoning. So in Ghana, basically when we cook food, we don't really measure. We don't measure our food. We know exactly the amount or, you know, the ingredients that we're gonna need, so we don't really measure. But for my viewers' sake, I am going to measure this right here. So I have a tablespoon right here. I'm gonna add a half tablespoon of Anise Seeds. I'm gonna blend all of it, and also I'm gonna add some rosemary on this side. So with the rosemary, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon because I like the flavor of rosemary on this side. And also I'm going to add some hentia. On the other side, I'm adding about probably 1/3 of the spoon. Yeah, not a lot on that side. Okay. And then we're just gonna blend it into a smooth consistency, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have my beef on the stove. Beef meji di entintin no ewo ho no sintintin kakra wo ho na makra wo ho eno ya na flavor wo ana bones so kakra dey ewom eno bi na me use. I'm using this kind of beef, okay, the one that is combined with the bones and a little bit of fat in there. That is what I'm going to use because I want the flavor, you know, from the meat. So I'm trying to get as flavor as possible because we want the stew to taste very good. So anyway, right now I have my beef right here. It's nicely washed, and I'm going to add some salt. Yeah, just salt to taste. Okay, and as you can see, I have some bay leaf. I'm going to add my bay leaf. I realized that the bay leaf that I got from Ghana is very strong. So guys, when you cook you have to be very careful with the bay leaf. So this should be enough. So right now I'm going to add some blend ginger, garlic, and then onion and the meat. Okay, so you want a lot of flavor. You make sure you stir. The bay, you know, spice and there. Come on. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of Miss Dash. You guys know how much I love Miss Dash. This is about a half teaspoon of Miss Dash right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna add just a little bit of water, you know, to boil it, because I don't want to be too watery. I just want to steam this meat. Okay, so yeah, this is what I am going to do right now. About just a half cup of water, yeah, just to steam the meat with it, because I want the juice or the broth after the meat is cooked. I can use it to prepare the sauce. Okay, so when you steam your meat, it doesn't matter, you don't have, if you don't like beef, you can use chicken, you know, you can, or if you don't like chicken, you can use turkey. You can use any meat of your choice. Okay, with me, my husband wants beef today, so that's why I am going to make beef. So now that the seasoning is already in, we're just gonna cover it and let it cook for about 25 minutes. Yeah, and then alright guys, so as you can see, I have the oil in the pot. It is very hot. Our beef is already done. Beef, you know, and watch it. Are you sure? Steam, come. So right now, no, I'm going to fry the beef right here. So this is an option. If you want to, you can fry your beef, or you can just leave it like that. If you don't like it fried, you can just leave it like that. Okay. But with mine, I think it tastes good when you fried it. So if you want to follow that the same recipe, I'm gonna recommend that you fry this beef. Really nice. So beef will be messy na the year there come. We or stew or dot one stew any sir. When you cook, we have to cook with love, okay? We are money pound one here. Cook with love, okay? What is a war of you have to make your food your drone area and it is so. We will never answer any agent. Now, come them. Now, I come and I then I sham. The dear DBS, yes. Yeah, so we're gonna give it like 5 minutes to fry, and we will be back. Alright guys, so now the beef is finally done. We're going to take them out. Let's want to see the yama jene kuma. Now come. So we're gonna let it fry. I'm making a lot of stew, guys. A lot. Okay? That's why you see a lot of oil. But at the same time, no. So we are now one of those so it's as so. Next time used to that's one more so I'm with you. So we have to make use of everything that we have. Alright guys, so you can see the onion is halfway cooked. Okay, so it is not all the way brown. So I'm going to add my pepper. So remember, we did not add pepper yet. So you add your onion, you add the pepper. I'm adding about 1.5 tablespoons of pepper because I want this stew to be a little spicy. Like if you don't like spicy, don't add too much. Maybe add about a half teaspoon, or you can add paprika to replace the pepper. If you have paprika or cayenne pepper, you can add it to replace it. So at this time, I'm going to add my onion. Remember, we blend the onion Yeah. The flavor of the stew, guys, I use sweet. This onion to cook, you know, the blended onion to cook. Like I tell you guys, I'm making a lot of stew. Okay, so this is how I do mine. That is my way of making my sauce, because normally if you don't want to stress yourself, you can blend the ginger and everything, and then including the tomato paste, and then you add it to the sauce. Okay, that way you'll be done with it. All you have to do is just add the rest of your spice, and then you stir it. Okay, but I'm doing like the old-fashioned Ghana style, so that's why I'm cooking the onion separate and then tomato paste separately, so in that way it will taste good. Not flavor, you know, yeah, I'm gonna dead. It's like a boom, so now I'm say yes, stewie, come. Alright guys, so now our onion is finally cooked, so I'm going to add my tomato paste right here. And that is a lot. I love stew. Some of the spice right here, so I'm going to add my mixed spice right here. You can see it. Yeah, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of this mixed spice. Remember guys, I told you in Africa or in Ghana we don't measure our spice, so when we cook you're more used to, you know, adding our own spice. I'm gonna add some moustache right here. I'll give it a little stir. And as you can see on this side, I have my beef broth. I'm going to add and because the tomato paste is very thick, I'm still going to add about 1 cup of water just to get it evenly so it can cook well. Yeah. So I'm adding some salt to taste. And then I can cover it right now. Okay, let it cook. Alright guys, so as you can see the stew is doing good. So this is about halfway done. So right now I'm going to add the shrimp powder. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of shrimp powder right here. Then I'm going to add some nutmeg and curry powder this side. It's a lot of stew, that's why I'm adding a lot of it. Yeah, this is the time to add the beef. This time you can add the meat. So this is how the stew looks. Very nice. So at this point we're going to lower the heat, and then we're going to let it sit and cook gradually. Okay, so as you can see, it doesn't have a lot of oil. That's the best thing right here. That's what we need. Yeah, so you can cover it and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then your stew will be ready. Welcome back guys. So as you can see right now, the stew is finally done. Tomato stew, no, or beef stew, no. Today, as you can see, you're going to enjoy with rice. So I have my rice on this side. I have a little bit of salad, 2019 there, we are trying to eat healthy, as you can see, guys. Until I have my rice, my salad, and I'm going to add my stew, okay, on this side. The way this stew is smelling so nice, and guys, I want you all to taste it. OBAAPA'S stew, OBAAPA'S stew, guys. Aye. And I'm so more. Alright, guys, so this is it right here. So I'm trying to serve it, trying to dish it out so you guys will see. It's looking very, very yummy. So I hope so you enjoy this stew, guys. So as you can see, this is looking very, very yummy. I have my sauce on the side, my salad, my rice in the middle, a balanced diet. So I hope you guys enjoy this beautiful authentic Ghana tomato stew. Beef tomato stew, papa B. How about pie day? Aye. So guys, don't forget to try this recipe and let me know how yours stand out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, enjoy. Bye bye.